When you open the Xerte Online Toolkits, you get this screen. It has three main areas: a My Projects area, which has the workspace that you will hold your learning objects in. These are also called projects. It has a Create a New Projects area where you can create a learning object or an RSS feed. And don't forget that in Xerte Toolkits the learning objects are also called projects. And the third section has a couple of demonstration areas and a feedback form. So what we're going to do is to create a new learning object. So we go over to the Create a New Project area and click on Create, and you see we can name the project. Now my project is for teaching my students about dog breeds. So I click in here and type in dog breeds, and it's quite important that you name your learning object in a systematic way, because when you get lots of learning objects it can be difficult to sort out one from the other. So we create the project or the learning object, and we're just going to get rid of this screen which is created, and we'll come back to this later on. But you'll see that in the workspace now is our dog breeds learning object or project. I also want to tell my students about dog grooming, so I'm going to create another project or learning object, and I'm going to name it dog grooming. And again, as soon as I create the project, it moves on to the learning object creation screen. But I'm just going to get rid of that, and you'll see that now we've got dog breeds and dog grooming in our workspace, and we can edit those and do various other things with them. But for now we'll leave it at that, and we'll move on to actually creating the learning objects in the next section.